Good morning, y'all. Jillian here, and I just wanted to share something that I'm doing again to help me, heal and get through this cancer craziness. And a lot of times, people who have any chronic disease, whether it's cancer or anything else, or insomnia, anything, you can't sleep well. Your body's aching and pain sometimes if you're not feeling too well. And I have done my extensive research, scientific and medical, to see again what could I do to help me sleep better instead of taking some sleep medication, which I don't recommend. But some people do that. Some people drink alcohol to try to get to sleep. But nope, I'm trying to do everything natural, healing properties. So I have this for you. It's called the white machine, the white noise machine. And I got one, and I just got it yesterday. And I used it last night. Slept like a baby. I was done. I was gone. And that's what you want. You want something natural, holistic, that's going to help heal your body, give you good night's sleep so you can wake up, feel refreshed the next day. So I'm going to show you the noise machine so you can see what I have. All right, so this is the noise machine I got off of Amazon. You can turn it on. You hear that noise? Look, check it out. Different colors that can come up. Let me hear the sounds so you can hear some sounds. Turn it up for you. The ocean. The birds chirping. I want you to hear that. That's a fireplace. Just like you sitting in front of a fireplace. Oh. I don't know about the train sound. I don't think I'll be using that. Some calming music. That sound beautiful. More sounds of nature. Turn it down some. It's the rain. Then you can turn on different light. Hit this button here, it changes to different lights here. It's pretty, very pretty. It was calming just listening to it for those few seconds, each one. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I got this off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below in the comment section and the description section. You don't have to get this one. You can get a different one if you like, but and I'm not getting any, commission for the product. I just love it. I'm going to use it every night to help me sleep. Because like I said, sometimes with the cancer stuff, it's hurts the body. The body's in pain, and it also helps my mental state. So if you're going through anything in your life and you need to relax and not be so filled with so much tension and stress or pain in your body, like I said, this is scientifically proven, medically proven to help people relax and wake up tomorrow feeling refreshed. All right, check it out.